Hello everyone, what's up? So before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know, I think most of you know about the YouTube new monetization policy, 1000 subs and 4000 watch hours, and my channel needs 1000 subs to qualify for the monetization after 20th Feb. So I request, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. It will really help my channel. So yeah, let's get to the video. So as you guys know, I unboxed Honor 7X last month, and if you want to check out that video, the link is in the description. And since then I have been using this device, and the cons I'm gonna mention may not match the priority of some, so for them it won't be a deal breaker or about anything to worry about. So number one is below average low light and night shots. I made a video in which I compared Honor 7X with Mi A1 and Honor 6X, the camera comparison video, and these are some of the images. As you can see, Mi A1 the best, Honor 7X with the last spot, and this is actually the low light images, and this is the night shots. Again, you can see Mi A1 and then 6X, and again in this image you can see it is better than those two, but still Honor 7X with the last spots. Of course, this phone is known for its cameras and display, and I had no problem whatsoever when it came to taking pic in the daylight or with the portrait shots. But when it came to taking pictures in low light and night shots, I was disappointed because I expected it to be at least better than Honor 6X, and it wasn't even the same. Number two, this phone does not support NFC, and I can bet one thing, anyone who uses this feature, whether using NFC stickers or using NFC to make payments, will never use a phone that lacks this feature. It just makes it so simple and so easy. And if you're one of those who just forgot to ask about this feature, it simply means it just doesn't matter to you. So yeah, that was number two. And the third and the final one is actually a mixture of two, that is no Type C and fast charging. And I still remember when Honor 6X was launched, everyone wanted Type C, and this is not even available on Honor 7X. At least Mi A1 has Type C. It might not support fast charging, but it charges real quick. On the other hand, Honor 7X takes a lot more time if you compare it with Mi A1, even with the box charger that they provide. Mi A1 charges from 0 to 100 in 1 hour 48 or 45 minutes, something like that, and Honor 7X on the other hand takes 2 hours and 52 minutes. So that's a huge difference. But every phone has their own pros and cons, and same goes with Honor 7X. So yeah, these were some of the cons that I felt I experienced in a month usage, but I still think, considering the price it is available, it's a really good deal. Every phone, as I said, has their own pros and cons. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys, and a lot more videos on the way. Like, subscribe, share, and yeah, peace out.